Hey everybody, Tony with Hobby Hangover. Today I'm doing a box break. Haven't done one of these in a while. This is the Ghostbusters trading card set. 5 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. And I think it has like 2 hits in here. An autograph and sketch or relic. But we'll see. I just got this on the sale and figured I'd give it a try. Now that Black Friday is approaching, there's some deals and I'm going to cash in on these. So I will, now that I've done the intro, start the time lapse. Let's see what we get. Alright, so the box has been broken. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 foil cards. Got a sketch card. Hand-drawn sketch card. The artist Scott Romy. I'll have to check. It's a 1 of 1. The ghost cab driver guy. Got a cell from the animated Ghostbusters series. Winston. It was voiced by Arsenio Hall. That's what it says here on the back. Let's see. Features an authentic hand-painted animation cell used in the production of the real Ghostbusters. That was the name of the series. And the autograph, none other than Dan Aykroyd. This is about as good as I was expecting. I was kind of worried about this set, and I'm pretty happy with it. You got the animated cell, the sketch card, and the autograph being one of the main Ghostbusters. So I was kind of worried when I saw the autograph list, because there was a lot of people who weren't like main characters, but I lucked out. So got the box on sale, get Dan Aykroyd, and get 2 other nice hits. I'll put the scans up at the end of the video and on my Instagram, Hobby Hangover. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.